To set up alarm clock on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you will have to open your clock application. So as you can see, it's available just over here. And right now you have to click here, and you can use currently existed preset by clicking here. You can turn it on, and if you want to customize it, you will have to tap on it. First of all, we can set the day or repeat. So if I want to get this, for example, on Friday, I have to click on it. And if I want to get this every day, I can mark it here. So that's how it looks. Here we can change name of our clock event, and we can change time, of course. We can turn on and off sound, or we can just change it by using default ringtones or, for example, Spotify song. When you want to change sound, you can go here, pick the sound that you want, that you like. You can also enable the gradually increase volume feature, and by going back we can also do the same with vibrations. We can turn them on, turn them off, change its pattern, or completely get rid of the vibrations. We can adjust snooze from 5 to a custom time, the interval, for example, every 2 minutes. We can set repeat, and we can turn them off. We can also put this alarm into some kind of the group, and we can change background of this alarm. So as you can see, we can even put a custom photo if you want from your gallery. And if you make everything, you have to click save, and now you can create a multiple alarms at once. And if you want to adjust them, all you have to do is just to click on those switchers.